Unboxing a dad multi-tool set. My dad's birthday is coming up, so I wanted to get him something that wasn't too expensive, but at the same time had great value to it. So I decided to get him this set, costing $39.80 on Amazon. My dad's a handyman, so I know he's going to love this. The packaging, what can I say? I just love the matte black finish. Now for the important stuff. It came with one gift card, one multi-tool set consisting of a hammer, pliers, saw, knife, and Phillips screwdriver, which is made from stainless steel. I will be definitely getting myself one of these. It also comes with a bracelet that has a built-in compass, one pair of socks with lovely prints on both of them, one large stainless steel flask, and last but not least, one key ring. This product got a 5-star rating on Amazon, and I can see why. It's worth every penny. I give it a 10 out of 10.